What's up YouTube, ZBA Basshead here, and yeah, back in the car, at it again. But like, yeah, who's not? Like, I don't know, I'd rather be YouTube surfing right now. That's what I would be doing, but nope. Guess what, guys? Guess what, bros? Got some bad news, man. Oh man, got some bad news. Fucked up bad news, guys. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? I'm just fucking young and tell you anyways. Remember these T9 Clarion tweeters? Legit. Fucking got some weight to them that's like Clarion's, like, I don't know, entry level super tweeter. It's kinda heavy. Can't tell I get some actual super tweeters, but no, these things were fucking beast, man. They were so loud. Check out my sound test, the mids and highs. Check that shit out, man. Good. Go right there. Go right now. These things were fucking awesome. Okay, they're up like this. Can you see it? They're up outside in a basket. I didn't want to carry everything one by one, so I threw all the wires. I mean, all the wires, and then these were attached to the wires that they were up. And it was, remember I was telling you it was light raining yesterday? Well, rain got into the speaker on the right side one. It's over there, but this one's still good. Just this one. Makes me want to use it, but that's kind of weird. Only one odd one? Maybe I could if it was a center one where it's just a single lone one. Yeah, I could do that. That'll work. Just like, say when I have a vehicle, just stick it in the middle and then just, damn it, real powerful magnet. But this one is fucked. When it plays, you hear a fucked up sound. Oh shit. You guys see that? Right there, that little dot right above my thumbnail. Oh fuck, man. Something hit it. And rain did get in it. Oh shit. I'm gonna keep those separate. Don't wanna get it mixed up now. Man, look at this. I had some spare ones laying around. Booyah. Oh yeah, I guess I should make all this one video. Okay. Look at that. The new JBL amp hooked up. I asked my fiance if she'd rather have that one. She doesn't really care because there's a JVC on the floor. 500 RMS at 2 ohms. But yeah, check out that video when I got this. It's fucking nuts. 1 ohm stable. What the fuck? But that motherfucker slams. Just wait a couple minutes or a couple seconds. That shit is like fucking awesome. Okay, here goes. Here's the new tweeter sound testing. Do it like my old one. I'm gonna walk down the driveway. Here goes.
Yeah. Shit sound like 007. It's just, oh shit. Yeah. 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 Jane, gold all in my chain. Gold all in my ring. Gold all in my watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Nigga, don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Nigga, don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Gold all in my chain. Gold all in my ring. Gold all in my watch. Don't believe me, just watch. This ain't for no fuck, nigga. You a real nigga, then fuck with ya. This one for the hood, nigga. Hips the bitches.
Sounds pretty loud from here. Well, it's not that far anyways, but still pretty loud. Hey, if you can hear it clearly, what do you think, bros? What do you think? Tight shit, eh? What I know is other Clarion tweeters put out bass. These ones don't. I don't know why those other ones did. Touching the tweeter. Nope, no bass, just high frequencies coming out. I'm almost at the turning point like last time. Okay, here I am at the turning point of the driveway. See what this camera's like.
Shit behind your back, but won't say shit in public. Gold all in my chain, gold all in my ring, gold all in my watch. Don't believe me, just watch, nigga. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch, nigga. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Gold all in my chain, gold all in my ring.
So, what do you guys think of the new tweeters? And now I gotta mount the JBL amp because I think I'm gonna stick with that one for her. Because 200 RMS, I don't think it really matters if it's at 4 ohms or 2 ohms for that sub. Yeah, I don't think it really matters, but it's just a small 10. Well, it's not small, but yeah. And 150 RMS at 2 ohms for that JBL. Sorry that I keep repeating that shit, it's just gotta make it clear what I'm talking about. Yeah. Get that shit all mounted and make it all look clean. And then maybe tomorrow. Shit. No, not tomorrow. I'm not gonna make an amp rack or something for her system. Alright, I'm gonna get back over there and then show you when it's done. There it is. My fiance's system. With the new JBL. I already mentioned in another video. Sorry that looks all dirty. Could get it all cleaned up, but it's okay. It's hidden. Got it bolted to the box. Watch my other video. I already mentioned it. Don't worry. It's 1 inch thick MDF. And there you have it. That's how you do it. Got all one lead. There's the other one. Percy is opposite side vehicle. Tweeters just sitting on top of the amp. Going up there. And got it strapped. So it doesn't move. See that? Whenever I usually did that, it would slide. But there it is. Mids, highs. Right monoblock for this sub because my JVC is overpowering it. And I didn't want to like upset her or anything by blowing her sub that I got for her because that would suck. And then got the 5 channel yet. That's a PW10. New dash tweeters. Still the Eclipse head unit, EQ, shit's bumping. But yeah, if you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and stay tuned for more, bros. Peace. Make that shit bump.